This is Paul. Yeah. The lease and sale of public property, conveyance of title in certain lands to the government of Virgin Islands. Yeah. Now, the Secretary of Interior shall be authorized to lease or to sell upon such terms as he may deem advantageous to the government of the United States any property of the United States under his administrative supervision in the Virgin Islands not needed for public purposes. Yeah. Yeah, hereby conveyed to such government national park system. Oh, existing rights title to all property in the Virgin Islands. Yeah. Why don't you? Why don't you get me all the property in the Virgin Islands and all the U.S. territories? Now, the individual, yeah, the he or she. I know if you're a woman right now, you're like, oh, such sexist the way that they did write these. Yeah. But I'm kind of thinking that I actually can have ownership. Yeah. I'll just inform you. District of Columbia. Same rights as privileges concerning acquisition, holding, owning, and disposition of real estate in the District of Columbia. Yeah. As are conferred upon the aliens in respect to real estate in the territories of the United States by this chapter. Yeah. Uh-huh. The individuals in the District of Columbia got that special something about you. Yeah. Acquisition by inheritance, a collection of debts. Yeah. Previously acquired lands, bona fide resident aliens, mining or incorporated village lands. Yeah. Yeah, I actually do. I do think that I can sue for the ownership of all U.S. property in the U.S. territories, America, Samoa. Make arrest without warrant and make seizure and property carry out the purposes. Yeah. Now, with the approval of the Attorney General of the United States. Yeah. Designate law enforcement officers, government of the American Samoa. Now, obviously, the U.S. has a sovereign obligation to enforce diversion, expungement, the requirements of law to dissolve marriages, child support orders, oh, parenting plans, Relocation Act. Yeah. The Washington State Domestic Violence Act. Yeah. The UCCJEA. The International Hague Conventions. And then the United Nations Conventions as it involves the marriage itself. Now, government made available reimbursable basic government in the United States trust territory of the Pacific Islands. Yeah. Yeah, I think Hawaii is actually included in this revised Organic Act of the Virgin Islands. Puerto Rico Federal Relations Act. Now, I know with the right attorney, the Organic Act of Guam referred to in the text is an act on August 1st of 1950. The Act of the Code, see short title note set under section 1421 of this title and tables. Yeah. Now, there's a lot of violating of the sovereign authority of the United States. Yeah. Northern Mariana Islands, I kind of think I can have those. Yeah. Now, I just wanted to reiterate this whole concept. Yeah. That the federal government has been informed right now. State of Washington. Our actual marriage, yeah, was not regulated by the state of Washington. Yeah. The taking of my sons, the kidnapping of them. Ouch. The violating of federal laws, the United States Constitution. Yeah. And then the sheriff. Yeah. Saying that he has the jurisdiction of the court to be able to do what they're doing. Yeah. I would inform Clallam County. Yeah. That you're making war against the United States. Sheriff. The arrest and being residents of Guam at the time of Heidi taking my sons 9 years ago. Yeah. Where you issued a protection order where I was in probation. Yeah. You didn't have the jurisdiction to do that. They're renewing it. Yes. On July 6th of 2012 while I was still on unsupervised probation. Yeah. When the stipulation and order was still enforceable. Yeah. Happened to violate the regulating of the contact of myself, my wife, my kids. Yes. and you decided to misprision all your felony as a crime against the United States sovereign jurisdiction as a nation of the world. Yes! And yell right now! Right now!